Okay, today we have a topic which is hypothetico-deductive model. What is this, and in what's the uses of this topic in psychology, and how from where it has been taken? So it is taken from and influenced by the Descartes and physics theory, where it is generally used in hypothetico-deductive model. We consider a concept form a theory to explain any phenomena, any action happened in the environment or wherever. So we dis- uh, take a theory to explain that phenomena. And basically theory is nothing else rather than just a set of statement which is uh, proposition of which is a kind of proposition. I think it might either be true or false. A kind of a statement which is either be true or false, and that theory will explain phenomena. And after that, scientists those theories and try to and test and verify and try to correct the theory and make a hypothesis. And after that, that hypothesis uh, test is conducted, and that 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 test and that test uh, clarify that either the taken hypothesis is true or false. And if it is true, based on that hypothesis, if it is true, uh, based which, which is verified through empirical, based on empirical data and experimental way. If it is true, then it is okay. And if it is not, if it is found false and go in some then other way than the hypothesis taken, it is revised and form a new concept. So in this, using this method, hypothetico deductive model method, psychologists have uh, explained many concepts like perception, learning, emotions, memory, and there are a lot of concepts. So this is the use of hypothetical deductive model in psychology. And later, there is one more thing which we study in psychology, that evolutionary approach is also very important in psychology, which is taken from biology, where evolutionary approach is important. So from that evolutionary approach, psychologists explain that what's the concept of attachment and detachment and aggression, what is, how aggression works. These all things are explained through the concept of evolutionary approach, uh, which is taken from the biology, majorly used in biology. So these two things make the psychology is as a natural science. So this is the topic, and we will discuss how the social science, psychology is a social, psychology is a social science. We will discuss it later.